Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this cute little lollipop Valentine holder. Isn't it cute, using a Hey Love stamp set. And I needed to make a few more, so I thought I'd just go ahead and make a video. I'm giving these to my local stamp club that's coming over this, well, they actually came over this past Saturday, so I need to make a few more. So I wanted to cut the paper with you and show you exactly how I made them. So here they are. Let me just lay them out here so you can see them a little bit better. Aren't they cute? So I think I need about 14 of them or 16 of them. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and make this one. But then I made this one in the glitter pit. So if you want to check that out, I'll have the link to that video listed below. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut this together. I thought that I would show you exactly what I did when I'm cutting the designer paper. And this is All My Love designer paper. And this is the 12 by 12. It's double-sided. And I thought the reason I wanted to show you is because if you're mass producing these, so if you want to make these for your children's classmates for Valentine's Day, this is how I mass produce a project, okay? And you're going to cut this at 6 inches. So it's going to be cut in half. Okay, and then we're going to score. So before we start cutting them into the strips that we need, I'm going to score the whole piece so I don't have to score each individual piece after I cut it. So scoring it, and then we're going to cut them into the strips. So your first score line is going to be at 2 3/4, and then scoot it down to 3 1/4. Okay, so now it's just a matter of cutting it. So your finished piece when you're cutting your strips will be 2 1/2 by 6. So that's what we're going to do now. We're just going to cut them all in 2 1/2 increments. So 2 1/2, 2 1/2, okay, so we got 4 from one side. Now we're going to score this piece because I need more. So we're going to score this again at 2 3/4 and 3 1/4. And then once again, we're going to cut in increments of 2 1/2. So you're going to have a total of 8 lollipop holders from one sheet of 12 by 12 with this left over. Okay, so let's go ahead and just make one of these. I'm going to show you exactly what I did. Okay, so first we're going to take our detailed trio punch. We're going to corner around the edges. Okay, and then you're going to fold your score lines. So this is going to make your lollipop holder. All right, then we're going to take the 1/8 handheld circle punch. This one's from Stampin' Up. And you're going to punch your hole about, I don't know, about a 1/4 inch down from the top on one of the panels. And you're just going to punch it right in the center, right about there. And these are the lollipops that I have, the Jolly Rancher. And you can get these anywhere. I got these, I think, at CVS or Walgreens or even Rite Aid. But these are 25 in a pack, and like I said, I needed about 16 of them, so that was plenty. So you're just going to get your sucker or your lollipop that you want. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and stamp. We're going to use the Hey Love stamp set. Once again, I'm using this really cute gorilla, and then the I'm Ape Over You, but you can tell there's other really cute little animals in here, and then it says, Hey Valentine, Stinkin' Sweet, which is the one that I used on this one right here. It's so cute. And then also the alligator. And then also you have the cute little otter, which says, You otter, be my Valentine. I love that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and use the Whisper White. And I'm going to use the Memento ink because we're going to be using the Stampin' Blends again. So we're going to go ahead and stamp the gorilla and then also the greeting. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and color. Okay, so these are the colors that we're using. I'm using the combo in the Smoky Slate, the Real Red in the dark, and then I'm also using the Petal Pink in the dark. And the Petal Pink is going to be for his hands and his feet. And then, of course, the red is for his heart. So let me go ahead and color this in really quick. Okay, so we're going to punch out our greeting and our little gorilla. We're going to use a few punches. We're going to use the 2-inch circle punch to punch out the gorilla. And then we're going to punch out the I'm Ape Over You with the 1-inch circle punch. Then we're going to take the lovely lipstick and we're going to use the 2 1/4-inch circle punch. And then the 1 1/8 scallop circle punch. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and layer these pieces together. Okay, so I'm going to position the I'm Ape Over You over to the right hand side of my gorilla. So I'm only going to put adhesive on the one side so it sticks over here on his arm. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and assemble our lollipop into the holder. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your lollipop stick into that hole that we punched, just like that. And then we're going to grab a glue dot. And I used a glue dot because since these are for my club ladies, these ones right here, and I thought maybe they could just take this off of the holder and they can repurpose it if they want to add it to a Valentine's Day card that they want to make. And then also I wanted it to be easy to open for them. Okay, so we're just going to take one glue dot and right on the opposite side or the back side of where we punched the hole for the lollipop, you're going to add your little glue dot. And then turning this forward here, you're going to line those edges up and just seal that down. So there's your little lollipop holder. Isn't that cute? And then we're going to go ahead and pop this up on dimensionals. Okay, and we're going to put this onto the front. Okay, so then one more thing, we're going to add a little bow at the very bottom, but we're going to attach the bow to the bottom of the 2 1/4-inch circle punch. And this is the ribbon I'm using. This is the All My Love ribbon combo pack. This is the lovely lipstick, and it has a really cute whisper white edge on that. And then it also comes in the Flirty Flamingo, which is more of like a, almost like an organdy ribbon. And you can tell on this one that I tied it in a double bow. Isn't that cute? So this comes in a combo pack. So I went ahead and already tied one. So grab that right here. And we're going to attach that also with the glue dot. And like I said, we're going to attach it to the 2 1/4-inch circle punch. So right below the gorilla. Like I said, I kept these so they could take that, just pop it off from the dimensionals, and they can put it on another project. So they can repurpose this if they want once they take the sucker out. So how cute is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me show you the other ones. So like I had mentioned, I wanted to cut the designer paper with you, so in case you needed to mass produce these little Valentine holders as well for maybe your children's class or just some for coworkers or something, I just thought it would be a great idea to show you how to cut the paper. And then I have all these ready to go on the ones that we've already cut here, because I need, I think, 14 or 16 of them. Okay, so I have all the products listed below, and then if you have any questions, just post your comment down below or visit my blog and you can personally email me over there. And then also, if you like the video, click the like button, but if you love the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.